Welcome to our comparison video featuring the Proform Pro 9000 and the Nordictrack 2950 treadmills. Stick around until the end to find out our final verdict on which one of these is the better choice. The primary difference between these two treadmills lies in their motor sizes. A powerful motor. Make sure to check out YouTube's recommended products on the screen or down in the description, as they are related to this video and may provide you with extra help with what's been discussed so far. They are usually quite cheap and are unique to this video, so it might be worth checking out. Anyway, back to the tutorial. 25 chp motor. Treadmills are typically used for walking, jogging, and running, each requiring a certain level of motor power to perform efficiently. The minimum motor power a treadmill should have is 3.5 chp, which is sufficient for runners. Given the powerful motors in both the Proform Pro 9000 and the Nordictrack 2950, we can classify them as professional-grade units. However, the Nordictrack 2950, with its more powerful motor, is better suited for extended workout sessions and can comfortably accommodate heavier users.
Incline and decline capabilities are also significant features. The incline on a treadmill increases the workout's intensity, which helps in burning more calories and working out muscles harder without causing injuries. The Proform Pro 9000 offers a maximum incline of 12%, while the Nordictrack 2950 goes up to 15%, making it a better option for those looking to intensively work out leg muscles, including the calves, hamstrings, and glutes. Both treadmills offer a decent 3% decline. However, it's important to note that downhill running can stress the quads and hamstrings, potentially causing micro tears, so sufficient recovery time is necessary. When it comes to cushioning, the Nordictrack 2950 features runner's flex cushioning, which protects your joints from impact and simulates a road run experience. On the other hand, the Proform Pro 9000 is equipped with Rebound Pro cushioning that provides a bounce with every step, protecting joints from stress. The Nordictrack's cushioning, which includes the Real Road Run feature, makes it a more favorable choice for those seeking an authentic outdoor running experience. The size of the running path is another consideration. The average running path of a treadmill should be 55 inches long and 20 inches wide, accommodating average-sized individuals comfortably. The Proform Pro 9000, with its 20-inch by 60-inch running path, is suitable for individuals of average height, while the Nordictrack 2950, with a slightly larger running path of 22 inches by 60 inches, can comfortably accommodate taller users. Both treadmills come equipped with workout fans to offer a more comfortable exercise experience. The Nordictrack 2950 features dual AutoBreeze workout fans that start working as soon as the treadmill is in use, providing effective cooling even in extreme temperatures. In comparison, the Proform Pro 9000 has a single cool air fan, which is less effective. Weight and space are also factors to consider. The Nordictrack 2950 is heavier, weighing in at 360 pounds, and occupies a larger footprint compared to the Proform Pro 9000. Therefore, if you choose the Nordictrack, you need to ensure you have enough space to accommodate it. Both treadmills support a user weight capacity of 300 pounds, feature a 22-inch HD smart touchscreen, have high motor capacities, and are equipped with functional workout fans. However, the Proform Pro 9000 does not require an iFit subscription to unlock its full potential, though purchasing one gives access to iFit programs. The Nordictrack 2950, while having powerful features, has a sluggish iFit application, which might be a drawback, though new models with a faster processor are expected to improve this. User reviews for the Proform Pro 9000 are generally positive, with users appreciating its HIIT workouts and overall functionality. For the Nordictrack 2950, users praise its stability, quiet operation and fast incline adjustments, along with its immersive indoor and outdoor workout options. In conclusion, the Nordictrack 2950 stands out as the superior treadmill due to its advanced technological features, including a powerful 4.25 chp motor, spacious running path, dual AutoBreeze fans, and an immersive 22-inch HD touchscreen. It is also foldable, saving space and easy to assemble, offering long-lasting performance. Let us know in the comments which treadmill impressed you the most. If you enjoyed this comparison, be sure to like and subscribe for more fitness equipment reviews. Thanks for watching.